Dive into the world of JavaScript, the language that powers the web. Start your journey by mastering the basics: variables, data types, and operators. Grasp these foundational elements to manipulate data effortlessly. Next, elevate your skills with control structures. Learn about if-else statements, loops, and functions. These tools will help you manage the flow of information and execute repetitive tasks with precision. Once comfortable, tackle more complex topics like objects and arrays. Understand how to organize data and perform operations on lists. This knowledge is crucial for managing larger amounts of data efficiently. Then it's time to interact with web pages using the Document Object Model, or DOM. Manipulate web elements dynamically and respond to user events to create interactive experiences. Finally, bring all your skills together by exploring AJAX for asynchronous web requests, and dive into popular frameworks like React or Angular to streamline your development process and build robust applications. Remember, practice is key. Build projects, solve problems, and keep learning to refine your JavaScript prowess. Happy coding!